Welcome back, everybody. Average Firewood Dad. So we did some cutting today, and then I'll show you my normal routine of maintenance after every cutting I do. So pretty simple. Everything's already disassembled. This will be a quick video. Take your bar, something thin. Get all that goop out of there. So after I scrape out the innards of the guide bar, take compressed air. Make sure you get your oil inlets right there on both sides. Then take your clutch cover, compressed air. Then take the saw, pressed air. So we're going to take the top off, and very lightly so after we did all that, we'll just do a simple oil feed check. That's my after cutting maintenance. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.